Good morning, dear student. Welcome again to e-learning module. Dear students, the writer Amitabh Ghosh is interested in going beyond the limited information written in our history books and political occurrences to the myriads of human relationship and people that are affected by historical events like the partition of India. History is made subjective and each character articulates historical accounts through his or her own personal experience. Likewise, as a critic has said that Ghosh shares the postmodern disavowal of the universal historical narratives that encode ideas about modernity, development and progress, focusing instead on those fragments of human experience that have been occluded from the historical records and which find no place in such grand design. As he writes the novel, the narrator wrestles with a chronological view of history passed on by the ruling English and now part of the Indian national consciousness. This historical model needs a linear narratives to describe its cause and effect and is a very narrow and straight-jacketed way of history telling, as one already knows the end and is merely linking it retrospectively to its beginning. The act of creating and writing down of history then becomes an ideological act designed to support political and moral systems. The narrative of the novel clearly demystifies, overrules, and disrupts a chronological narration and the established systems of narration in general and creating of histories in particular. Further, Ghosh was deeply disturbed by the assassination of the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Actually, this novel came to the mind of the writer when Indira Gandhi was assassinated and the writer was teaching in Delhi University as a young professor. Indira Gandhi was assassinated by her own bodyguards and the subsequent riot and pogrom that culminated in mass murder of innocent Sikhs. All these things are behind the creation of this novel Shadowline. This event shook the entire fabric around which the newly independent state of India was constructed. The narratives and valorization of India's struggle against the colonial rule seemed to be fabricated as its own people were suffering at the hands of the powerful. Most importantly, the belief in national unity and Nehru's dream of a secular and democratic India were completely shattered. The disillusionment with the current political scenario and the communal disharmony became the catalyst for the writing of the Shadowlines. And in this novel, Ghosh categorically deplores, exposes, critiques any kind of disharmony and bloodshed caused due to political, religious or territorial dispute.